So I just wanted to do a quick video for the Hello Everyone channel. This is a 1962 Elgin Outboard. I was getting no movement whatsoever, nothing when turning the key. So what I did was I used a multimeter to follow each connection and try and figure out where I was getting voltage and where the voltage stopped. And what I figured out was that right here you've got a little limit switch. Took some research, some emails to figure out what this limit switch does, and what it actually does is this is the neutral kill switch. So what it does is prevent you from being able to start the engine if you're in neutral. And what I noticed is that I was getting voltage while turning the key out of here, but not getting voltage out of this end. So what that was telling me is that it wasn't realizing that the controller was in neutral and therefore not able to power anything to the solenoid, which originally is what I thought was the issue. But then after realizing, after kind of back tracing the wires, I was seeing that there wasn't any voltage coming out of here. So what I did is I just took the wires out of the limit switch, touched them together, got my battery connected, and this is the result. So on these old outboards, if you're not getting anything, my recommendation would be to use a multimeter, find exactly where the current stops, where you're getting electricity, where it stops, and a lot of the time that's going to be where your issue lies. So for this 1962 Elgin 40 horsepower, the issue was the limit switch, which is the neutral kill switch. So just by bypassing that, I was able to get the engine to rev. So we'll attach gas, give it new spark plugs, and see if that gets her started. That's it. Hello, everyone.